Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Reishi mushroom, updated. Begin by choosing a preparation that fits your routine, like powder for smoothies or a tincture for quick dosing. Note typical starting amounts of 1 to 2 grams or the tincture manufacturer recommendation. Keep a simple schedule, track sleep and mood, and adjust slowly. If you take medications, consult a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal protocol. Choose the right preparation based on your goals and daily habits. Brewed tea or hot water extracts emphasize polysaccharides for immune effects, while alcohol tinctures deliver triterpenes for stress relief and sleep. Dual extracts offer a balanced profile if you want both benefits. Prepare consistently, label dosages, and store in a cool, dark place to maintain potency and flavor for best results over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. I go darn tough for their comfort, durability, and lifetime warranty, and they make standing at the stove for tea prep a lot nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a pair if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Begin with a conservative dose and track how you feel over 1 to 2 weeks before adjusting. Typical powder ranges are 1g to 3g daily, with tincture instructions varying by concentration. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals and people on immunosuppressants should consult a professional first. Watch for digestive upset or allergic signs and pause use if those occur. Keep notes so you can replicate what works for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.